What's the meaning of chaffinch? Chaffinch. Chaffinch.
Chaffinch. Chaffinch. The chaffinch is a small passerine bird that is native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. The bird is known for its vibrant coloration, with males featuring a pinkish-red breast and blue-gray cap while females have a brownish-gray plumage. The chaffinch is a common species found in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, gardens, and parks. It feeds primarily on seeds and insects and is known for its melodious song. Due to its widespread distribution and pleasing appearance and call, the chaffinch is often considered a popular bird for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike.